My name is Bilal. For a long time, I thought speaking more meant being smarter. If I talked a lot, people would notice me. If I shared many ideas, people would respect me. So in conversations, I tried to speak as much as possible. But something strange happened. Sometimes people stopped listening. Sometimes I did not understand others properly. Sometimes I even made mistakes because I spoke without thinking. One day, during an English class, our teacher gave us a group activity. We had to discuss a topic and then present it. In my group, I started speaking quickly. I shared many ideas, but I did not listen carefully to what others were saying. After some time, one student in our group spoke. He was quiet before, but when he spoke, his idea was clear and meaningful. Everyone listened to him. The teacher also appreciated his point. That moment surprised me. He spoke less, but he spoke better. After class, I asked him, "How do you speak so clearly?" He smiled and said, "I listen first." That simple answer changed my thinking. The next day, I tried something different. Instead of speaking first, I listened. I listened to my teacher carefully. I listened to my friends. I paid attention to their words. At first, it felt unusual, but slowly I noticed something. I understood conversations better. I responded more clearly. I made fewer mistakes. Listening helped me think better. It also helped me learn English faster because when you listen, you learn pronunciation, sentence structure, and new words. I realized something important. Speaking is important, but listening is powerful. Now, I still speak, but I also listen carefully because good communication is not only about speaking more, it is about understanding better. Final thought. Listen carefully, understand deeply, then speak clearly. Ending line. Keep learning English, keep improving your listening, and always remember, good listeners become great speakers.